that's... Now it's... Record that one first. Oh, Jack and Daisy. Jack. Jack.
I got that. I got that. I got that.
Three somewhat balanced steps. Up. He's really focused on something over here. Okay. Here, Jack. He's like, please.
He's like,
just let me.
I'm
not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
Drunken soldier. I got those 3 steps.
Yeah? No, that's...
I'm still recording. Yes, excuse me. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to try to make you go the other way. Okay? Sure. Tomorrow, enjoy it. Not today. Come here. He's not. Oh, no. The leg's not.
It's like he's about to dance.
Where you going? Okay, one more time. Go to Eric.
Good.
Go to Eric.
Come here.
Go to Eric.
Look up. Let's see. Oh, no, that leg is just...
No, the leg
healed.
is not straight.
He's got no more energy for it.
The sliding pan.
Well, why don't you let him go up the stairs?
Yeah, let's do stairs.
Jack. Buddy. Jack.
Oh, Jack knows the plan.
Jack.
Come on.
Come on, bud. You want to go up the steps?
Your afternoon exercise.
How can I get more saliva on these guys? Pretty sure if I stick my hand in my nose, slobber on it. Good job, Jack. Are you done?
There's more steps to climb. How could I be done?
Uh-oh. Are you done? Oh, good job.